Guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing very well. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing a $30 no deposit bonus in 2024. Let's get started. Here's how you can get the $30 no deposit bonus from this broker. Before we proceed, it's important to watch the full video to understand all the details and terms and conditions. Windorbroker $30 no deposit bonus 2024. $30 free account. No deposit required at all. Get your $30 free account in 3 easy steps. Promotion is available only to new clients for Prime accounts with a USD, EUR, GBP and JPY currency base. Step 1. Apply for a $30 free account. To start the application, click on Get Started. Information on how to find this button is not provided. Step 2. Follow the registration steps and ensure you comply with all account opening requirements. Step 3. Once your $30 free account is approved, it will be credited with your free trading credit. Apply for $30 account.